All right, now I'm going to go over flex basis, flex grow, and flex shrink. So first thing I'm going to go over is flex basis. So first thing we're going to look at is our flex basis, which is pretty close to the minimum width property. And so we're going to change our flex items width and see the difference here between that and the flex basis. So let's add our minimum width. Let's change that to 500 pixels. And you'll notice that our 500 pixel item here is going past our container. Whereas, let's change our minimum width now to our flex basis, which will be more responsive. Okay, so now you see here's our 500 pixel flex basis. And you'll notice as we shrink our browser window, also our items are also shrinking with it. Okay, now let's look at flex grow. I'm going to change our flex basis to 50. And let's add to some of our boxes, let's add the flex grow property. And we'll change this, our box 1 to 1. And maybe let's try our box 3. Okay. So we have our 1 and 3 box set to a flex grow as 1. And you'll see that those are stretching, whereas now the others that haven't been set a grow feature are staying the same. Okay, so let's add the flex grow to our other boxes here. You can see the responsiveness of it. And so let's change our box 2 to 3. So now with the flex grow 3 means that it will grow 3 times as fast as our flex grow 1, which is growing 1 times the amount of the regular box. Maybe we'll try the last one at 5. Okay, so now we have our let's see, our second one is growing 3 times the amount, and our 7th one is growing 5 times the amount. So as we grow our box, you can kind of see the difference. So this was 3 times the amount, and this one is 5 times the amount. So we can also shrink our items. So let's add a shrink, flex shrink property here. And you can, if it's at 1, it would be 1 times, it will shrink 1 times the amount faster. We'll just change ours to 0, which will just make it so it just doesn't shrink. And you can see it just shrunk a little bit there. And so as you can see, as all our boxes are growing, our 6th one, which I changed to flex shrink, is not growing. And now we can also use a shorthand for, let's change our flex basis here. We'll change this. Our shorthand is just flex, and the first number here, this will be for our flex grow, and the second number was for our flex shrink, and this is for our flex basis. So 80 pixels, and our flex for 1. Let's go ahead and save that, and now all of our items are set for 1 for the grow.